Let's see before and after adding 1.5-inch spacers to Jeep Wrangler. Will Jeep Wrangler wheel spacers make a difference? If you're interested in buying new offset rims for off-road touring, you may have run across 1.5-inch wheel spacers by spacing the wheel out about 38.1 mm. 1.5-inch spacers solve rubbing problems easily and quickly. The 1.5-inch Jeep Wrangler wheel spacers are also accessories that add more inner wheel clearance. Simply put, 1 inch to 2 inch is the best size range for Jeep Wrangler wheel spacers. For most car mode lovers, these 1.5-inch Jeep Wrangler wheel spacers are the easiest and most cost-effective way to get a more aggressive stance. Before installing wheel spacers for a Jeep Wrangler, it is important to check that the spacers have the correct size of the hub and bowl pattern for your Jeep Wrangler. Simply put, the 1.5-inch Jeep Wrangler wheel spacers are almost the same as many low offset wheels. BONOSS active cooling 1.5 Jeep Wrangler wheel spacers are made of high-quality Ford 601T6 and 705T6 aluminum alloy. BONOSS active cooling 1.5-inch Jeep Wrangler wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation screws to make brake cooling better. Distributed in pedal shape, these screws allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dispersal effect and improving road safety. After installation, these 1.5-inch Jeep Wrangler wheel spacers become an essential part of your wheel combination. If you have any question about the Jeep Wrangler wheel spacers, leave your comment. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.